My name is Hassan Al-Madi and my colleague
Amar Al-Badr.
We are team members of Carbon and Dust Capture for Qatar Construction Sites project. So let's start about the research problem or the research question. The question is how to capture carbon and dust using a device that can be eco-friendly, portable, and cost-effective. So we came up with an idea that there is a system will capture the carbonated air and separate it by a chemical reaction. So the scientific method of our project is capturing air which consists of carbon and dust and separated by a chemical reaction using electrolyte solution.
In our electrochemical solution, there is 1 liter of distilled water, which is H2O, and 10% of potassium chloride, which will then capture the carbon particles and make them down, because the carbon particles are more density than the air, so the air will go out. And then we, after the main idea, we started sketching it. In the beginning, we did some hand sketches and simple prototypes to check the feasibility, and we struggled in printing it, because we sketched it using AutoCAD, which is SolidWorks, and then we struggled in printing it in the 3D printer because it was a little bit large.
So after finishing the prototype, we did some experiments and tests, and the result was really good. In the outlet and inlet of our project, we measured the limits of carbon concentration, and we found a huge drop in concentration of CO2. At first, the ppm was 28,000 ppm of carbon dioxide. At the outlet, it dropped to 640 ppm of carbon dioxide concentration.
And the importance of our research is to decrease the greenhouse gas emissions, because they have a lot of disadvantages in our environment.
To conclude, we think that carbon and dust capture is a vital move to solve global warming.
In further explanations, we want you to see our project.
So, if you want to start the system of our project,
we have the main breaker here, as you can see. We turned on our main breaker here, and the control status turned blue, which is okay. And then we have the clean air blower, which will blow clean air from here. And inside it, we have the nano-filterization in case of there is any particle. And we have the controller speed blower here. You can control the speed. You can see here the electrochemical solution. And then here we have the electrochemical solution to start the electrochemical process. After that, we have the carbonized air fan, which will then the inlet of the carbon will be here, so it will be inside here and then go outside from here.
And everything is solar by using solar energy. And thank you for listening. If you have any question, please ask.